ba akong pagkakaintindi?
Oo.
Yung 3K mo kasama na yung personal mo.
Kasama na yung bagal. Lahat.
Lahat na
Ayun
yun.
din bala ko eh. As in, max na yun ah. Uy, ito yung sinabi ko. Yung GI. Mali ako set.
Ay, sige, tapos na?
Yeah. Oo nga eh. Kailangan ba natin ng payo? Guys, tingnan mo. Saan tayo?
Yung kita dyan. Layo na Diana. Video ba yan?
Yup.
Diana, tingin ka. Against the light, pero...
Dito ka dito. Pwede naman here. Where's the fucking sun? Where's the fucking sun?
Parking eh, no?
Payment po isa.
Curry yung rice curry.
Nadi.
Ano ka ba dyan? Mario?
Ay, game na ba?
Sige na, start ka na.
Hindi ka pa nag-bayad?
Wala akong Mario.
Wala ko kaya nabayad ko kay Magic tsaka kay kay Yana. Ito, kay Yana nabayadan ko na yung 120.
Yeah.
Ay, ito 20.
May time.
Anggi.
5. Bayaran niya ako. Try ko lang yung pretty.
Observant ako. Observant. Photogenic. Oh, dalawa to. Ito ba tao?
Happy birthday, Juja!
Kumawa ka na ng cup or shot.
So glad
Ay, for
you made time to see me.
Want to and
If we ever broke up, I'll never be sad. If we ever broke up, if you ever broke up, I'll call your dad. If we ever broke up, okay.
Yung mentals before.
Uy, sunod naman drunk ko. Again. Yeah, I want to play the drum.
Pwede daw bumaba?
Mario to Ursula on the screen. The bikini became a summer dream. From beach to poolside, a revolution. A tiny suit with big evolution. Vatican said it was a sin, but the lady said, let the sun in. From shock and awe to beach attire, the bikini set the world on fire. Oh, the bikini changed how we dressed by the sea. From Paris boutiques to global chic,